In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable call screening on your iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, basically, call screening is a feature that helps you filter or block unknown and spam calls. You can silence unknown callers, have Siri screen calls, or block spam and scam calls. So all you want to do if you want to enable this, firstly go over to your settings application. Then once you're here, scroll down until you're in general, and then from general, just go over to software update, which is the second option, and just make sure that you are on at least iOS 26. If you're on iOS 18 or anything lower than iOS 26, this isn't going to work because it is a brand new feature. So once you've updated your phone, all you want to do is go back, then scroll all the way down in your settings and go to apps, which is the final option. Then just look for your phone application, but I'm not going to scroll through all my apps because that's going to take a while. So I'm going to press search apps right there. Then I'm just going to type in phone. Now it's going to be the second option. And then all you want to do from here, you're going to see a lot of different things, but just scroll down. Then you're going to see screen unknown callers. And by default, it's set to never. It says calls from unsaved numbers will ring and missed calls will be displayed on the recents list, just like normal. But if you want them to go to a voicemail or anything like that, you could also ask reason for calling. It says calls from unsaved numbers will be asked for more information before the iPhone rings. It's going to use an AI voice to do this. It says calling and data rates may apply. Or you can just silence them. It says calls from unsaved numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed on the recents list. Calling and data rates may apply. But you can really just set this to whatever you want just with one button, and it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also let us know in the comments what more tutorials you want from this channel in the future.